Hey rock stars, today we are visiting a farm. Let's see what animals are on the farm. We have a cow, a horse, a goat, a sheep, a chicken, a pig, and of course no farm would be complete without a dog. A sheep begins with the letter S. Sheep. A chicken begins with the letter C. Chicken. A dog begins with the letter D. Dog. A horse begins with the letter H. Horse. A cow also begins with the letter C. Cow. A goat begins with the letter G. Goat. And a pig begins with the letter P. Pig. The animals are all very excited that we came to visit today. They all had a great day.